Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship Group. The Pohan Group has spread over the regions marked for A, B, and C on the chart. In these regions, nearly all the marga that form part of this group CP11 are represented by branches or lineages, with the exception of a couple of marga like Sila, which only occurs in Parsambilan in 4C, or Silitonga, which only occurs in and around Sipauta 4BC, also Appendix 2. In addition, a small Pohan group went to various roles in the Kuria Bagus Mudik in 12B under the name Pohan. Another group established itself in Angoli, South Sibolga 15, while by a route not known to me, by a branch dispersed to North Mandaling Batak Natal 4B, where it has formed the large ruling marga Nasution.